Look at what are you doing now, man?
Live.
It's live.
Live? Yeah,
Yeah.
live.
You know what is that? Live on Facebook. You know what is that Facebook? You have Facebook. It's crazy.
How many people?
Zero.
Zero. Zero people.
Zero. 1, 2,
Three.
3.
Good.
Yeah.
Your ski so fun.
Huh?
You broken your
My face. My face. My face, yeah.
oh my god.
Hello, people.
Hello, people. I can say hello in Turkish.
Yes, I am
Hello,
from, I
hello.
am from Turkey. I am
So
from
you
Turkey.
you can say this sentence in Turkish.
I'm from Brazil and
Merhaba.
very
Merhaba.
Marhaba.
very crazy. Yeah.
Anywhere
He's Brazil.
Crazy lost. Crazy and lost.
the Brazilian.
Who is
You know-
Brazil?
You like Neymar.
No, don't
You don't like Messi. You like Messi.
No.
You don't like football.
I like just beautiful girl.
I like
We
Cristiano Ronaldo.
are in the job right now. We are in the job right now. We practice English. He's a good student. This guy, the
I am not-
Brazilian,
I am not good
the
student.
Brazilian is a good student.
I am
So
not good student.
the Turkish man is not a good student.
You too.
Nah, yeah, I'm a good student. Yeah,
He is a boss in here.
boss,
Rich man. Yeah.
boss.
Boss. He is a boss.
You are you are a rich man, so
Yeah. He is a rich man.
I am an employee. You are a boss.
Me?
You have much money.
A lot. I have not a lot money.
Brazilian
Oh.
to
man.
a country, to a
My
people.
Aba is what is CVP? SAP. SAP. What about?
Oh, mbadale sa pou nta di la nan. Oh, bon mayo aba s'il vous plaît. Mayo aba
Merhaba.
like you.
Ah.
She say, give me this guy. I want this guy. I like this guy.
Ah.
So you are a fan. You are one fan. So she's a Asian girl. She's a Asian girl.
Asian
You
girl.
like Asian girl?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Yes. I like Asian girl.
So I'm glad. Mais où age nèg la? Je dis le faut voir photo pour voir si le mon. M'a fait nous tout marier là. M'a fait nous tout marier.
50 people.
I wanna meet one Turkish girl too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I meet you. For you.
One
Yeah.
Turkish girl.
Yeah, Turkish girl. Yeah.
Welcome, man.
Yes.
I need. I give you one Asian girl. You give me one Turkish girl.
Yeah, I don't like Turkish girl.
Why?
I don't like
Why?
because
Ugly?
They
They are ugly?
Yeah. they.
Like you? Nek may waba.
not
Abe
people.
nek may waba. Elik nek may waba. Evali. Eli, mse mdula waba wa. Anglad nek may waba. Eli, mbayalot nek may waba la. Ah,
What is she saying?
gele Brazilian man.
What is she?
She like
say?
you. She love you.
Nay mayo eba
Neg
ne
mayo
neg mayo
aba
eba
vle.
Oh
Langel.
my god. Difficult.
Your language is difficult.
Ah, bravo.
Non, moi, les avec une chili, pas parler espagnol, me dégage, mais qu'on a la anglais a réussi trop, anglais a réussi trop enragé moi. Moi si on langue trop moi. Bon pas anglais c'est facile, c'est l'aime là donne moi l'aime ils vont côté besoin de ça me veut dire pas dire bon moi me problème vrai. Brazilian.
Brazilian.
Yo, what's up, man? What's your problem? I want to include you in my conversation.
She is like you.
Yeah.
Yeah, this girl, she's like you, man.
Give my contact for she.
Oh, kiss. Me?
Yeah,
Me? Me?
Yeah, for you.
Me? You?
Yeah, kiss for
Me
you,
or
for you.
you?
Yeah, for you.
Oh my god. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Ay, anglais, mais où est agréable là? Va faire ma guerre, vous attendez. Ma voix contact li ba ou. Et puis wa vinn ma guerre. Et ba Irlandais li non, et ba Irish li non, sont turc monsieur. Turkish people. C'est moi j'aime ka faire cheveux non ouais. Ba blanc de rage man.
Yeah.
Pour gen moun gen brésilien gele. Brésilien gele bo gen moun gen
Maybe. Brazilian man.
the Brazilian man.
Yes. He is a good man. Good student.
I try.
Good student,
I
yeah.
try.
Yeah, good student. A long time you have in Highland.
Amway.
I'm way.
Amway.
I'm way.
Amway.
Yeah.
Amway.
Yeah, come on.
What about?
Oh my God.
Ah, oh my
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
Amway.
You're a platonic love.
She's my darling.
Yeah, she's your darling. Well, Cynthia, mba eze konen, anglais avit n'importe qui j'aime la gueule. Mba eze konen, si nou ka tande, nan tande, si nou pa ka comprendre tout. Nan dégager nous comprendre, bon, moi, m'si anglais, moi, m'a parler konen. Mba parler l'autre langue. Ket, man, gado bel TV nap menen la. Nap étudier, nap pratike, nap travay. Et nan travay nou ye la, ça veut dire nap relax, nap bay ti blague entre nous. C'est bon regarder photo Mario. Ket, est-ce que ngeen wa rele anglade fond rose me fait la nèg là. M'si tap content, m'si remet haïtien oui. Parce que monter quelques petites photos, quelques belles petites photos de ancien ménagement. Les îles remet haïtiennes. Fait 3 mois par exemple parler créole, même parler anglais seulement. Ah bon, je ne vais pas parler créole parce que sur Facebook et créole seulement moi on a parlé avec. Et puis avec famille je m'a parlé c'est créole, je parler avec 4 personnes. Nous on mal en pile là. On travaille bien. Et je ne vais pas faire tant parler créole mon cher. Bon, m'a parlé avec nous là. M'a parlé blague avec nous. Bon. You can say sac passé.
Sac passé.
Naboulé.
Nabouli.
Boulé.
Bouli.
Di anglade. Say anglade. Ange. I'm forget the name. You can say. Yeah, fond rose. Yeah, fond rose.
Fond rose.
Moi.
Fond rose moi.
Reméo.
La mer.
Rien.
Les.
Non, rien.
Les.
Non, rien.
Les.
Rien.
Yeah.
Reméo. That mean I love you.
Ah, I love you, fond rose.
So in Creole.
Then
In Creole. Asian Creole. It's moi.
it's moi.
Reméo.
Ramen.
Yeah. Or you can say je t'aime.
Ah, je t'aime.
Je t'aime.
Je t'aime, fond rose. Turkish, seni seviyorum. Fond rose.
In Turkish?
Yeah, seni seviyorum.
Seni seviyorum.
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 Yep.
Seviyorum.
Yep.
You say I can say seviyorum in your language. You
Love.
can't say moi reméo in my language. Why? Seviyorum, I love you.
Yeah, I love
Seviyorum, I love you.
No, senin seviyorum.
Senin seviyorum.
Yep.
Yeah, right
course,
now,
yeah.
what time? What now? Your time. Moi,
Mue,
remeu.
lemeu.
Re,
Oh, very difficult.
it's easy.
Le,
Moi,
lemue,
remeu.
lemeo. Mue, lemeo.
Remeu.
Lemeo. Lo,
Yeah.
lu, meo.
That's
Lo.
okay. That's
Ah,
okay.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Jotam. This is good. Be easy, Jotam.
It's easy. It's so easy. The Creole is so easy. French is so easy. No, French is not so easy because isn't my official language French. So
Man
I
bon,
can speak
Sahel.
so more or less French.
Oh my God.
Esse aqui é o.
The Brazilian.
I talk.
You talking in Portuguese? In Portuguese.
Hi.
Esse aqui é o Bart, ele é turco, né? Ele não entende. He's my friend Bart, and my Turk man, and my friend is
Asian.
Winder.
Asian. IT.
IT man.
Yeah.
He's drive. Tudo dele.
We drive there. So right now we,
He is good. Oh my God.
yeah. Right now there.
No problem. Yeah. Mon courage bas. Fale anpil.
Moi encourageu.
Ven courage.
Encourageu.
Courage.
Base.
Bas.
Parler.
Fale
Anpil.
Anpil.
Non.
Na.
Tintin.
Tan
Comme ça.
Yon jour.
Jour. Wap. Parler.
Va parler
Anglais.
anglais.
Yeah, it's okay. You're Asian right now.
Asian.
Yeah. I
Language Asian.
give you the passport Asian. The Asian passport right now. You're Asian now. You can
Wow.
talk very good in Creole.
Okay,
Yeah.
I am going.
I know it. Right ahora, vamos a hablar en español.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay.
Yeah, en español. You understand?
Fale español.
You understand Spanish? So the Portuguese and Spanish is very similar. Yeah. Vamos a hablar en español.
Hablas.
¿Tú hablas español?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hablo espanhol, pero no muy bien.
No muy bien. So it's okay.
Espanhol é muito simples. Basta botar a língua no meio das dentes e ele habla espanhol.
Ese cariño de ellos. Yeah, right now I can say bonjour,
Bonjour.
buenos días,
Buenos días.
good morning.
Good morning.
Right now in Turkish.
Good morning. Buenos días.
No. So good morning.
Yeah, good
Buenos
morning.
días.
Buenos días.
Bonjour
Bonjour.
is the same.
Okay, Turkish.
That's mean
günaydın.
good morning in Turkish right now.
Günaydın.
Günaydın.
Yep.
Günaydın.
Yes.
It's so easy.
Günaydın.
Günaydın.
Yes. Good morning.
It's so
Günaydın.
easy, man.
How are you?
Yeah, right now you can write this sentence, this word.
No.
Write this, yeah, write. I want to know
Okay. Yeah.
Lend me your pen, please. Lend. Bien parler anglais là. Eh? Yeah.
Turkish study.
Yeah, right now.
Sorry, man. 5 minutes.
Günaydın. It's say bonjour en Turkish. Lang nou le Turkish. Ça, caso, me sinto boa que a minha namorada já me caiu aquilo, ué.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Günaydın. How are you?
Günaydın.
How are you?
How are you?
Nasılsın?
Nasılsın?
Nasıl?
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 Engaelic.
Nasıl? Sun.
Nasılsın?
Nasılsın?
Nasılsın bro? How are you?
Nasılsın?
Turkish nasılsın?
How are you em Gaelic? Como você tá?
Em português.
Como
Bom dia.
vai você?
Bom dia.
Bom dia em
Yeah.
português.
Yeah, bonjour.
Good morning.
Good morning.
English.
Como vas você?
Como vai você?
Yeah.
How are you?
Okay.
And the gaelic concertado.
Oji.
Concertado.
You know what does that mean, oji?
Hoje.
Oji.
Hoje
In português.
Cheers.
Fachado.
Cheers.
Fechado. You know,
Not português.
fechado.
Fechado.
Fechado. Yeah, right now, fechado. Yeah.
Fechado.
Fechado. Yeah, it's closed.
What about?
Yeah. Sai, casa, me um barulho lá sur la TV, monsieur.
Close.
Ah,
I'm tellement bien passé, me quitter bien passé de net. Et quand on travaille, on travaille, on va petit blague nous, nous relax.
cheers.
Hein?
Cheers. 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 Salute. Salute.
So,
Cheers. Cheers.
salute.
Cheers.
Why?
Beer.
Where is the cup? Where is the cup?
Yeah,
Where is the beer?
Yeah. Cheers.
Yeah, so where is
Spanish.
where is
Where is?
the beer? For say cheese,
Yeah. Chin chin.
I need to have in my hand one beer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheese. So
Cheers. English. Spanish.
in Spanish is salud.
Ah, salute.
So
okay.
I say you
Salud.
for say cheese.
Cheers.
I need to have one cup or one beer in my hand.
Yeah.
I want to
French salute.
salud.
Salute. English. Cheers.
Cheese and Turkish.
Irish salute. Irish sloncha.
And Irish?
Yeah, sloncha.
Slancha and Irish?
Yeah, Irish. Yeah, garlic.
I didn't know.
Turkish şerefe.
Şerefe.
Yep.
Şerefe.
It's good.
Şerefe.
Good speak Turkish. You good.
Şerefe.
You speak.
I am a good student.
Ah, yes.
I am a good student and I am a good teacher.
Good
I
pronunciation.
teach you my language. And 2 weeks you can say
Wow. Okay. Okay.
so
I will
it's
help
good.
you for Turkish.
Mali. Allez Mali. You can say Mali.
Mali.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Mabvini.
Mapvini.
Et moi c'est haïtien.
Musiense.
Haïtien.
Asie.
Moi
Musiense. Muen.
c'est
Si.
haïtien.
Muen si Asie. Yeah.
Merci mon blanc.